When they start to excavate the gas and oil, I tell you, it's going to be just like a joint venture. Pareho. I'm not prepared to go to war. I have to be frank. The truth is, I will not. Will end up a slaughter to my forces. Kulang tayo. They have the state of the art and everything. And they have the missiles now, nakatutok na sa atin. It will reach Metro Manila in 7 minutes. Now, bakit? Whose fault it is? Tingnan mo nga. It was there 3 years ago. Yung overflights ng intelligence from all countries, nagpapublish. Nakita nun. I remember seeing it in Inquirer, Bulletin, dito sa Daily Star. And yet, nothing was done. Because we were not prepared to go to war or trouble or violence. We just secretly communicated through ating arbitration award. Nung ayaw lang marinig, so we started to talk friendly. Hindi man ito magkuha. Ito, I will tell you now. Itong mga ulol na mga, sabi nga, tita, ito may isang justice na keep on hammering on me. Ranting about my ano. When I saw Xi Jinping, nandyan yan sila in a cabinet, hindi pala, limitado kami nun. When in the last visit, yung sa road belt, wala na kayo nun, may kasama akong mga cabinet members. I think it was General Esperon, si Lorenzana, basta may iba pa, Bong. Nabi ko, didiretso ko. Sila, nandun, yung, murang, sabi ko na, we are the owners of South China. I will dig my oil there, whether you want it or not. Wala na yung padaloy-daloy, the award, gano'n. Sabi ko, that's ours. I will build, put a rig there to extract oil. Not in so many words, si Xi Jinping na gano'n. Tapos, in the end, sabi ko, it will be war. The long and short of what he was saying, it was pinaparlay niya yung mga words. They ended with saying na, gira ito. Pero kung sabi mo, hindi ako nag-assert. Ako, this was diretso na. Amin yan. Nandoon ko ba lang? Nandoon. Si Alan was there. Sino ba ba? Alan. Ha?
Esperon.
Oh, si John Esperon. Ako na, diretso ko na. Beko, akin yan. That's ours, according to my government. And I will dig oil there. Wala nang pasukot-sukot yan sabi nila, bunta-bunta. Kaya magsalita ito, kasi wala sa ito, si Carpio, pati hindi niya alam. Gusto ko, ulitin ko, sumama siya sa akin. Sabihin ko sa kanya, itong justice namin, gusto agawin. O sige, makinig ka kay, this is Carpio. Sige, sabihin niya, backupan ko siya. Pero pag binugbog tayong dalawa dyan, bantay ka pag uwi kasi akala siguro ninyo na naglalaro ako playing safe. Naunahan ko, ako pa. Didiretso ko na. Amin yan. Kunin ko yan. Tapos he answered, marunong talaga. And then, parang away tayo. Kira to. Pag kung pagkaganon, huwag na muna kay wala tayo kabuga.
Sir, follow-up question lang po. Kailan po magsa-start yung joint development in project?
Again?
Kailan po magsa-start? When will it start?
Ang
Joint
Joint development project?
exploration.
The drilling, the joint exploration?
wala pa sila, pero we are into it there already. We are there already. May partner na siya. Hindi ko lang masabi. Kung sino. Nandoon na ang atin, pati kanila. They're talking and they are exploring.
Thank you, sir.
Kasi gusto mong suluhin, hindi mo naman kaya, di...
Patricia